Hi guys, hoping that you all are well. Today in this chapter we will learn that how to we calculate exact quantity of our canal lining, reinforcement and shaping area means for the foam work area, but in the canal just we can say in the shaping area how to calculate. So let's go start. First we have to calculate the volume of the our canal lining. Give a command area, just click here, then you see the options are here in command bar: object, add area, subtract area and object. So object already here selected, or you can select from here the object. Then you come and click on this hatch area anywhere. Just we calculate here. Okay, click here. Then you can see here the area is 0.317 and perimeter is this. Perimeter means perimeter around all area. This hatched area is the perimeters. So this area is multiplied by the length of your canal. Then you can get a exact cubic meter concretes. Second thing, we have to calculate the reinforcement. So just this is you draw your reinforcement here and click on this reinforcement line here and right click, then go to in the property. You can see here the area, leave it the area of this polyline, but length you can see this 2.28 here. This length multiply by the length of your canal, then you will get the square meter your reinforcement area, or maybe BRC is there. So you easily can calculate how much your reinforcement is required for your canal. Now escape. We have to calculate now the shaping area. This from here the bottom shape of the canal. So just click once here, then you will get the length here, this much length 2.784, and you multiply it length of your canal, then the shaping area you will get the in square meters. So easily you can estimate your quantities of the concrete, reinforcement and shaping area. Other things here, one tips, just close this pop-up and give a command area command here. So just a object, enter here. You are getting a here area in 0.317 means 3 decimals. Sometimes you are not getting in the decimals, just you getting the main. So give one command, loop break. Just click on here. It's asking how many decimal points you require here. If you will put here 0 and enter, now you check your area of calculate object, come here and you see the area you are getting here 0 and perimeter is getting the 5 meters. So should be careful about this when you calculate the area perimeters from the AutoCAD. Again you give same command, loop break, not forget it, loop break here. Then here decimal, if you put the 4 and enter, now you check the your area again once here, then you see you will get the 4 decimals here. So that you should be careful. This is a special tips for you, a command. Thanks for watching.